Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 3, Schools Division Office of Bulacan, Bukawi District, Bulacan Elementary School, Bulacan, Bukawi, Bulacan. This certificate of appreciation is awarded to Daisy R. Matamis, licensed professional teacher, in grateful acknowledgement of her distinguished and invaluable service rendered as guest speaker during the 15th commencement exercise of Bulacan Elementary School with the theme, Filipino Youth Building a Stronger Future for a New Philippines, thereby contributing immeasurably to the prestige and success of the occasion, given this 31st day of May in the year of the Lord 2024. Signed, Cecilio A. Safra, Head Teacher 1.
Ganun lang pala, tatlong palakpak.
Bawal